Welcome back to the Computer Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to make a surprise with the command prompt. Create a new text document and paste the commands down in the comment section, but you can adjust to what your surprise might be about. Save the document as your title.bat file and save it as all files and not as a text document.
Plans right now, take a flight out to my city, I'm the man right now. And they hating, yeah they hating, who they mad right now. And it's probably cause they girl my biggest fan right now. I'm on my bullshit, don't think you can do this.
Click on the BT file you created and boom, there's your surprise.
I was just a college dropout, they thought I was foolish, but look at what the truth is, my money looking stupid. Now they hit my phone and all I ever say is, who's this? Yeah, I'm one of the best, I'm coming straight for your neck, don't ever think you can step to my throne. Tell me who the fuck are you kidding, I'll make a rapper go missing and bury all of you bitches in my home. Rest in peace to all of you hoes, dust to dust to all of your bones. Best believe it now, you should know, you cannot fuck with the kid no more.
If you liked the video, consider giving me a like and a follow for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.